Hi guys! I broke the wood splitter again. This time this guide rail was not properly welded. I had it welded on 3 sides and the weld was not super thick. Now I have to repair it. So I'm gonna grind down all the old gunk on both sides, fit it up, re-weld it. Wasn't the best solution, but it held for over 2 years. So I'm not gonna change it, just repair it. So I drilled 2 holes and I'm planning to weld through these. So extra holding points. I already started building and forgot to hit the record button. I got this thing welded and now I'm making the new top plate since the old one. I didn't plan to use it as a holder for the stumps, but it's a really good place for them, so I'm putting a 2mm sheet metal on it and I already tacked it on, and this has nice edges so the logs won't roll over the edge, and it just slides over everything and onto the splitting area. So I will be welding this up. So it needs to cool, and as you can see, we got a project. This will be a winter racer car for the next season. It's got a huge oil leak that I need to fix before I can. It drives really good. It's got all the inspection and insurance on it, but the engine leaks oil quite a lot, so I'm dealing with that. I didn't wanna bother you with disassembling the front end. I wanted to involve you when things get interesting. No obvious leak places at the moment. I'm seeing oil everywhere. I think I need to remove all the things I can and then start it. And then we can inspect. It worked. Okay, let's see if we can. Yeah! Oh! Is it still attached to something? This as well? Turn the engine to the top dead center. There's a mark over here, and there should be a corresponding mark on the balancer, and then the camshaft, these flanges have to be horizontal. Okay, there's the mark, I see it. And the mark. Why is it going behind the... Okay. So it's in top dead center. The timing is correct. And the engine ran fine. It was just a huge oil leak that I need to find. But first I need to remove this last asshole bolt. I can, if I find the right size, I can hammer in one. Yeah, this is the correct one. I'm gonna hammer this in and hope that hammering is gonna loosen it so I can simply got it. Nice. And you can't put this balancer on wrong because it has 2 tabs only and it's not symmetrical. I think this deserves a cleanup. that housing is chewed by the belt and it's leaking oil from there. Or was it not? Is the belt just carrying? So I think I was wrong. There's no oil behind this cover, it's just the closest to the belt and the oil was collecting on here. So the next obvious thing is that some sprocket is distributing the oil on the belt, and it's just easier to change the seal crankshaft and the camshafts. They're probably all the same seal as well, at least it is in the diesel engine. Oh, shit, it's fucking dry. I have to refill it before I do another test. And I'm gonna remove the belt. And then you can put the pin in and the tensioner's free. Oh, they had a washer under here. Interesting. Nope. Nice. And as I thought, the seal was not in its place, and that was the oil leak. It's all hot now.